Everybody, Belinda here, welcome back. Today I'm going to be using this massive skin and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with it. Now I have two sides to it, obviously, this side and the reverse side. Now I actually love this reverse side, so that's the side I'm going to be using, and I've gone ahead and started releasing it from the sides here. As you can see, some of it is actually quite thin, but I do need to use that top part. Well, mainly this part here. What I'm going to be using is a 1 litre jar with a screw on top. I don't need the screw on right now. Mod Podge, the red one, and this here, which is actually Christmas decoration, but if you can see, it's quite transparent in places, so that is actually really pretty. And I'll be needing a paintbrush, my scissors, and the hot glue gun. I'm going to start peeling this off, and I'm going to take the thicker part and I'm just going to peel it straight back, and hopefully it doesn't break in the thinner parts. Like here, there's a clear cut, so I'm not actually going to be able to use that. So I was going to varnish this first before I did it and leave it to dry, but then I thought, no, I actually like the back part, and as you can see, the back is so totally shiny, so let's just get rid of that for now. Now that is really pretty. I love that. So sometimes it's a good idea to hang on to your skins. I do make other things with with my skins too. So this is the part here that I'm keen on using. Luckily, it is also big enough. So if I was to start there maybe and wrap it around, but I do want a break in it, so let's measure that out again. So I think for starters I'm going to just cut along a little bit bigger because I don't want to run short. And as you can see, it's starting to tear while I'm cutting it, so it is a good idea to cut it a little bit wider because it is quite thin. When I did the paw and I stretched it out, I probably stretched it a bit too thin. These parts here I absolutely love, so I'll be keeping that for another project. So I wonder, maybe I should just cut it along here. Excuse the fingernails, guys. They, the little glitter bits that I've put on have fallen off and really need to be redone. I've had a little drama, well, not a little drama, quite a big drama actually, with my cat. And hence I didn't put up a video yesterday, Sunday. I'm sorry about that, guys. I've been so preoccupied with her. So she disappeared at 4 o'clock in the morning, very unlike her. And yeah, I've been searching and hunting for her everywhere. So I think that should be good. I will just I'm going to cut it over there because this side here is a little broken here. And I'm just doing that pretty gently. I love this part here as well. It's a pity I have to cut this end off, but you win some, you lose some. Okay. Now I have to see which part I'm going to use and which part I'm not going to use. So oh, okay, I definitely want to use that part there as well. So I think what I'm going to do is, you see the red part there, actually no, I think I'm going to cut straight through it. I'm not trying to make a decision, I just really don't want to lose any of it, but for what I want to do, okay, I'm going to cut through the center. I love it so much though. So let's just go halves. I'm trying to get it as half as possible and then gently cut through the center. Apply some Mod Podge.